at this step of the process, if the manager approves the request of advance payment, then it will go to the accounting. So from managers, it will go to accounting. So let's name this button as send to accounting. All right, it's an approved form. And this step, it will go to accounting manager. Let's block again the test notification emails, and let's write the description as approved advance payment request. And let's write the disclosure, please make the payment. All right, and let's limit it with 3 days. Fine. And advance payment of requester. It will be the subject. Okay, so and here we had said the manager could either approve or cancel. Let's make this reject, and let's name this as well as advance request of requester. Okay, that's fine. So from the managers, if he approves, he will send the accounting. If not, he will reject it. The manager will reject it. And let's make its background color red. Yeah, that's fine. And what the accounting manager will see as data element, the requester, the advanced amount, and the date, all read-only. And the action will be, the accounting will make the payment and it will go back to the initiator to fulfill the expense form. It will be an expense form of an advance payment. So let's name this make payment. When the payment is done, then it will go back to expense form. And let's make it green as well. Okay, that's fine. So at this step, the requester will do a advance payment request and it will go to the manager. And if manager approves, the manager will send it to accounting manager. If not, the manager will directly reject. And at accounting, the manager will do the payment in 3 days and it will go back to initiator to fulfill the expense form. So let's save this process and let's activate it, and let's go back to eFlow and run this process. Let's check how the process will flow. Our process expense request form. I start the process, and when I start the process, it will require another step, whether it's an advance payment or expense, but we will just check the advance payment part now. So I choose the advance payment from the radio button, and I submit it. When I submit it, I will have to just write the advanced amount that I request. Let's make it 333 and let's do the request for the advance payment. And this process will go to the managers, the subject, and the task form description. And the managers have 5 days for this task. If they run on the process, they can either send to accounting or reject it. If I send it to accounting, then it will be assigned to accounting manager. This is the description of the process, and this is the subject of the process initiated by Harun user assigned to accounting manager, and accounting manager has 3 days to complete this task, and when the payment is done, they can just click make payment and it will go back to the expense process. Okay, that works. That's fine. So let's go back to designer and let's add the further steps.